quick silence and for honoring the solemnity of this rite. I state your name and where you come from. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nursing profession in the Philippines. And that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations.
Stop!
Please remain standing as we recite the Florence Nightingale's pledge to be led by Graciela Pia Cristi Silva, RN, fourth placer, and this will be followed by verses prayer to be led by Amy Marie Vino, RN, eighth placer.
Ang layo. Bakit din?
Please raise your right hand and follow after me. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly
Ikot.
administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and withhold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to work closely with the health team and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
To?